Tonight, MultiCare said they'll pay more than $3 million in a settlement after a lawsuit accused them of endangering patient safety. One of their former surgeons is at the center of that lawsuit. KREM 2's Connor McAvoy tells us more about why MultiCare agreed to settle.
MultiCare announced the $3.7 million settlement they'll be paying in a lawsuit accusing them of endangering patient safety and bill fraud. The story starts 2 years ago when a complaint filed in federal district court accused MultiCare of knowingly endangering patients and fraudulently billing Medicare and Medicaid to the tune of millions of dollars for spinal surgeries performed at Deaconess Hospital between 2019 and 2021. The surgeries in question were performed by Dr. Jason Dreyer. Documents revealed Dr. Dreyer had resigned from Providence years earlier after being accused of performing unnecessary surgeries, harming patients, and falsifying diagnoses. The complaint stated the U.S. Attorney's Office informed MultiCare that it was investigating Dr. Dreyer in 2020, but MultiCare and Deaconess allowed him to continue operating on patients. The Washington Department of Health later stripped him of surgical privileges in 2021.
When I saw the articles, I was very upset and disappointed, but I was not surprised.
One of his former patients, Oz Allwater, spoke with KREM 2 back in 2021. He was diagnosed with a pinched nerve and wanted to avoid surgery. He asked for alternatives, but Dr. Dreyer eventually convinced him to go through with the surgery that he later says was both expensive and had the pain return and persist a week after. Providence, Dreyer's former employers, agreed to pay $22.7 million to resolve its liability concerning procedures performed by Dr. Dreyer while working for them. The U.S. District Attorney's Office says the $3.7 million settlement from MultiCare comes after 2 years of litigation and 6 years of federal and state investigations. The CEO of MultiCare, Bill Robertson, released a statement in response to the settlement, saying in part, "We are pleased to have resolved this matter and remain focused on delivering high-quality care to the communities we serve." Connor McAvoy, KREM 2 News.